I hope. Let me just quickly show you, right? So as you see here with the Japanese, there's a lot of pictures that are not here, right? And also what we want to do is we want to make sure that all the links are going somewhere, all the links are working, but that I'll show you now. First, let's start with the pictures. So if you look at the pictures, you'll see there's pictures missing here. And if you're not sure which pictures they are, then you just go to the same page, for example, the Polish. The Polish, I think, has all of its pictures there. They shouldn't be missing any pictures. So if you look at this one, for example, this is the one that needs to come here. But now you probably don't know where to find this picture, what his name is. If you don't, just click Save As. If you right click and you click Save As, it will give you the name of the picture. Now, in this case, the picture's name is TPR, like the praise report, right? TPR. So let's go here. You open Beaver Builder, but I'm sure that's things that you've already learned from Adina. So you open Beaver Builder. Then you go to the picture, right? Now you see there's nothing there, okay? You're going to delete it. Let me just quickly see. So you're going to, I think it's better to remove it, right? It depends on what it looks like. In this case, remove it. And then you go to the Beaver Builder and you're going to add photo there. So you're going to add photo, select photo. Remember, we said it's called TPR. So we search for TPR and there it is. Now we just need to make sure that we've got the right how large it is. Right now, I can't think of the word, I'm sorry. We've got the size, that's the word. But I'm sure that most of the time when you take the size, it will automatically fit in here. But if it doesn't, then you can just change it here. You can just make it full size, medium, but you'll see medium is too small for our purpose here, and so on. Now, most of our pictures are linked, so that's something that we need to do. Now, what you can do now is you go here and let's see, is this one linked? No, it's not. So what I would suggest what you do is, because this is a praise, let's link this one to the encouraging woman, post your praise. So I'm going to go to encouraging women and I'm going to go to post your praise. And I'll copy that link. Now, remember, this is another website. So you're going to go to URL. You're going to enter the URL there, and then you're going to say a new window. And that's it. Perfect. So what I would also suggest is, once you've done one, just publish it to make sure, you know, that you don't lose the changes if anything happens. You don't live in South Africa, so you don't have a lot of power outages and so on, but you know, we've just learned to do that so we don't lose the everything. All right, so then you can go on to the next one. Now I'm going to let you do the next one. That's this one, the big encouraging woman one. So you can do this one, and then I'm going to show you the link. So this is probably, I wonder what this is. I have no idea what picture that would be, because not all the pages looks exactly the same, right? So let's see. Okay, connection is not private because it goes through to a site that's probably not working anymore. Let me just open Beaver Builder to see if we can find it. So it doesn't show me what this picture is. I wonder if it should have been the wise woman, maybe, or so there are some things. Let's see what this link was. Okay, so it went through to course 3, the wise woman. All right, which is probably what it should have been. So this picture probably should have been this side. Let's see. So you'll have to work with him and make sure that you know that you can see what that picture is. And if you don't know, just ask us in the group and we'll help you. So let's do this. Let's get rid of this one. Let me just take this. Let me just copy this. So for everything, you're not going to necessarily know the answer, right? So let's move this one this side. Yes, because it goes there, right? And save it. Okay. And then let's add a small text editor underneath. And we just add that link there. And we make it that. There you go. Let's take this one off. Okay, I think that's it. All right, so with some of these, you're going to have to ask, and then we'll let you know which picture to add. Like these ones are a bit difficult because they're not really pictures, you know, they're just the little flags, but you can get them here. It's these flags, and then you can just add them here and make sure that all the links work correctly. So it is a lot of work, but enjoy it, you know, and just do it with him, and then you'll be good. And then now the other thing is to show you the different, because this side looks a bit different, right? So, but that I'm going to do in a new video because this one is getting too long.